Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you modern 3D wallpaper design ideas for living room. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day.
Edit your living room so that to be unique and original. For a very fast and efficient way, you can get a brand new look in the living room. The entire living room will look completely changed and the wall will get a whole new dimensions. Wallpapers are the right solution if you want refreshment in your living room. 3D wallpapers are very attractive but also will create a cozy atmosphere. You will be amazed with the look that will get when you set this kind of wallpaper. It will provide pleasant atmosphere in the space where you get most of your time when you are home with your family members. Unusual patterns, look and ornaments, landscapes, all that will contribute to the luxurious look of your living room. High quality as well as style will look your living room with full shine. In this way, you will have a great decoration that will last long and each of your guests will admire. When deciding how to adorn your home with 3D wallpaper, you should always consider the room you are working with, since there are patterns for nearly everything under the sun. From fish to flower to simple stripes, it's important to make sure that what you choose to accent your walls with matches the rest of your room. 3D wallpaper can be utilized in a few different ways within your home. You could choose to put in on one wall for a accent, or opposed to simply painting the wall a different color. Not only this will be a unique touch, it will add a bit of pop to the area you choose to put in. More glamorous patterns like black and gold designs are a good choice for these techniques. If you want to go all out, you can also choose to plaster 3D wallpaper on all four walls of your room. This works best with the more minimalist patterns so are not to make the room seems too busy. For example, if you have a modern style, a good option would be a choice something like horizontal stripes. It's contemporary yet not too overpowering and it will give a room a nice vibes. 3D geometric figures, abstract and floral patterns, nature inspired wallpaper designs, cityscapes and graphic images, and wallpaper designs that create optical illusions are top trends in decorating with beautiful 3D wallpapers. The contemporary wall designs look alive thanks to the combination of colors and geometric shapes arrangement that trick human mind. Panoramic pictures of urban areas, natural landscapes, and geometric 3D designs are the most exciting trends in decorating with the photo wallpapers. 3D wallpaper designs give a contemporary vibes to wall decoration. Creative and original idea make the interior design feel adventurous and romantic. Impressive and fantastic. 3D images and scenic views dramatically change the interior, blending unusual, innovative decor idea with existing home furnishing. Modern wallpaper designs are a fabulous way to experiment with a fresh contemporary decorating theme and novel idea for stretching small spaces visually. Photo wallpapers are fantastic inventions that comes with a new technology. 3D designs, fabulous themes and vibrant colors create a stylish and impressive wall decoration. Movie scenes, famous paintings or spectacular landscapes are just a few examples of how contemporary technology help give a unique look to home interiors. Nature touch. In case you want to have a peaceful impressions, you can have the nature touch wallpaper designs. It is known that nature can bring out certain impressions that you can't get from other designs, especially when you can provide the real nature picture, as it can make you feel like being in the nature. It's hard not to fall in love with these gorgeous and colorful floral wallpapers. This perfect for a youthful and spirited living room or even a bedroom with a romantic or girlish charm. It works with both color filled accent or even inside a monochromatic rooms. Choose a suitable style for a formal look. Choose large scale patterns with dramatic colors. For a fun, bright style, pick small motifs that are open and regularly spaced, such as polka dots. Don't forget the decorative impact of borders, available in all sorts of motifs and styles. From sports scenes to pastoral views to wild images, borders quickly establish the theme of rooms. Textured wallpaper will look beautiful and elegant in a living room. Textured wallpapers are compatible with most rooms in your home and will create a visually appealing wall that will draw the attention of your guest. These wallpapers are superior to paint and other type of wallpapers. The biggest advantages of textured wallpaper are how they hide holes, rough spots, and cracks. There are different types of wallpaper texture to choose from. Popular textured include silk, bamboo, foil, metallic, lines, and grass cloth. 3D geometrical wallpaper patterns. Without a doubt, geometric wallpapers make for an incredible choice for homeowners who want energy and vibrancy. Their unique patterns are often easily uplift a room's decor. Make sure the pattern you choose is simple yet effective. Cool and contemporary geometric patterns help you to add that wow factor to your room. They come in different sizes and colors to create eye-catching patterns. Make sure to complement the other furniture and sophisticated art decor to complete the look. The colors you select for an interior 3D wallpapers should be a good match to your windows treatments, flooring and furniture. You can get the color saturations of a bold paint color by selecting a colored wallpaper with pattern that's a few values lighter. This approach gives an elegant touch to any room. Choose colors from the color palette of rest of your decor. Repeat one or more of the colors with your wallpaper choice. Use the accent color as the main color in your wallpaper to create drama and contrast. For smooth and easy transitions, repeat the wall paint color as the main wallpaper color. In choosing the best wallpaper for your home, you can consider it based on your personal taste, or you can adjust it based on your home decoration style and needs. I hope this video will help you to choose the best 3D wallpaper design idea for your living room. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. And thanks for watching this video. Please check out my other home related videos and have a wonderful day.